Hey, what is up guys, Jake here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be doing some fan art of Haida from Aggretsuko because he's just too cute and precious and I love him. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I posted this picture on Twitter and on Sunday morning from last week, my phone was bursting with notifications and I was just very confused as to why. Of course my little sketch was a bit exaggerated. I usually wake up at 5 PM, not 3. But apparently, Ben Diskin, the voice actor of Haida, had retweeted my picture. It made me fangirl a little bit. Of course, I'm well aware that he retweets a lot of fan art, but let me have this moment, okay? For once, someone appreciates my work. And yes, I have a Twitter. If you guys want to follow me, I post some work in progress, finished art, random thoughts, and opinion. You know, the usual things some tweeters tweet about. My link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Also, I'm experimenting furthermore with this video, as you could have probably guessed. I want to add more beginning segments and other bits and pieces throughout the videos I want to make, to just make them more interesting than a typical speed paint formula. You know, sped up footage, ambient music, voiceover, yada yada yada. I'm also experimenting with writing scripts for my videos. If you like these changes, leave a like and comment if there's anything you think I should be doing differently. Anyway, with that aside, let's get in my process for creating this piece. It took me 4 attempts. Yes, 4 attempts to make this simple of a drawing, and each attempts were 3 hours each. Presenting our contestants, we have my saving grace, not that bad. Ew.
Jesus Christ, what is that thing?
But I am proud of myself for one thing. Watching this show, over 3 times by the way, gave me so much inspiration and motivation to draw, and I was able to pour in so many hours trying to create this piece that I wish that I didn't have to. So the main problem with the drawings earlier is that the lines and the shapes just weren't accurate to the style of the show, which was what I was going for. I tried to use too much of my own techniques that it just didn't work out. When I tried to use thicker line art and copy the shapes more accurately, it ended up giving me the results I actually wanted. Who could have guessed? Originally, I was planning to make this video a quick bonus video for Monday, but with my finals this week, next week, and my grad, I'm in crunch time and making more detailed fan art piece for this show as an actual full speed paint video just wasn't possible. But hey, this is good, right? Right? The program you saw in the beginning of the video was indeed Paint Tool Sai, and I used it only to ink because it has a line stabilizer implemented in the software. There is a third-party program you can use for Photoshop called LazyNazumi Pro, which looks pretty cool by the way, but it costs us 35 bucks. I'm broke. You can get a 15 days trial before you purchase it to see if you can get any use out of it or if it's worth investing, and I think that's what I'll do sometime soon because I have a fair small Wacom Intuos tablet and it's not the greatest for precision, especially on Photoshop. I plan on investing in a pen monitor tablet from Huion fairly soon to get me more into digital drawing and painting because this tablet kinda turns me off from digital art sometimes. After I finished inking, I loaded the line art in Photoshop CC to color it. I made a layer of gray just covering the whole figure, turned it into a clipping mask, then laid in the flats. I then colored the line art, which is the same color as this year's, just like the show. After that, I made another clipping mask layer on the figure, but this time it was a dark red color which was put on multiply. I used the eraser and removed the parts which would be the light, and that's how you get an easy cell shading effect. At least, that's how I did it. It was a pretty good first attempt in my opinion, because I just don't really do cell shading. For finishing effects, I added a noise filter for texture and I used a soft round brush with a white color to create a light gradient over the whole drawing. Then, using a very painterly textured brush, I made a square in the background to make it more interesting than just plain white. And here it is, the finished drawing. I want to mention again that you guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and DeviantArt if you want to see my work outside of YouTube and interact with me on your favorite platform. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Let's see if we can get it to 10 likes. Yeah, my expectations are very high. And comment down below if you enjoyed this format of video more, because they do take a lot more time to edit, but I'm done with school, so I can pretty much afford to invest the extra time. And subscribe if you guys wish to keep up with all my future content. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.